Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I have taken the poem Last Lesson of the Afternoon of class 10th, which is written by D.H Lawrence. David Herbert Childs Lawrence. He was born on 11th September 1885 and died on 2nd March 1930. He was an English novelist, poet, playwright, essayist, short story writer, and literary critic. His collected works represent a reaction against the Industrial Revolution and the modern civilization which he believed had dehumanized mankind. Lawrence confronts issues relating to emotional health and vitality, spontaneity, human sexuality, and instinct. Lawrence's opinions earned him many enemies, and he endured official persecutions, censorship, and misrepresentation of his creative work throughout the second of his life, much of which he spent in voluntary exile, which he called sage pilgrimage. At the time of his death, his public reputation was that of a phonographer who had wasted his considerable talent. However, young Horst, in an obituary notice, challenged this widely held view, describing him as the greatest imaginative novelist of our generation. Later, the influential Cambridge critic F.R. Leeds championed both his artistic integrity and his moral seriousness, placing much of Lawrence's fiction within the great tradition of the English novel. Lawrence is now regarded as one of the finest novelists in English literature. His major works include The White Peacock, Sons and Lovers, The Rainbow, Woman in Love, and Lady Chatterley's Love. Dear students, this poem expresses a mood of bitter desperation at the thanklessness of a teacher's work. The speaker of the poem, who happens to be a teacher. Dear students, he became a teacher not by his choice, but by chance. When will the bell ring and end this weariness? How long they tugged the leash? How long have they tugged the leash and strained apart? My pack of unruly hounds, I cannot start them on a carry of knowledge they hate to hunt. I can haul them and urge them no more. Dear students, it is the first stanza of the poem, what the poet expresses in this stanza. When will the bell ring and end this weariness? In the first line, the poet says that he is eagerly, anxiously waiting for the bell to ring and end this weariness, and thus it would end his weariness. Weariness means the tiredness. The teacher is feeling tired of his students who are unwilling to learn. How long have they tugged the leash and strained apart? The leash means, dear students, leather strap for holding unruly hounds. For unruly hounds means unruly dogs. How long have they tugged the leash? They refers here, students, they have been tugging the leash for a long time. We can also say, dear students, the students are in the four walls of a classroom and strained apart. They tried every effort to break away from the chains of a classroom. My pack of unruly hounds, I cannot start them on a carry of knowledge they hate to hunt. Dear students, in this poem, the teacher compares himself with the hunter and his students to unruly hounds. That is why the teacher calls his students the unruly hounds. Unruly hounds, they are compared with unruly hounds because they are indisciplined. They are rude, they are rowdy. That is why the teacher calls them unruly hounds. Dear students, here the students are compared with unruly hounds. It is called metaphor. I cannot start them on a carry of knowledge they hate to hunt. Carry means an animal which is being hunted. Dear students, unruly hounds means dogs. Unruly hounds are not willing to hunt an animal. In the same manner, the students are unwilling to hate to get the knowledge. I can hold them and urge them no more. The teacher fails to convince his students. The teacher fails to persuade his students anymore when he does not get any response from them. Thank you.